To get started, tap Training on the Navigation tab. Here you can practice your presentation skills with quick lessons using pre-made decks. The interactive lessons are categorised so you can focus on the areas you choose, for example, engaging with the audience, memory or speech lessons. Swipe to the right on each section to see all of the lessons. The Lesson of the Day section will present you with a new challenge every day to help you practice and improve different presentation skills. Tap on the Lesson of the Day mystery box. Each lesson will start with a description that explains what the challenge is and what skills it will help you to improve, as well as a set of instructions to walk you through the lesson. Once you feel confident and know what to expect from the lesson, tap Start Lesson. When practicing your skills with the lesson feature, follow the instructions, talk out loud, and use the prompts provided in the flashcard, and keep an eye out on the stopwatch for your timing. Once you have finished your practice session, you can review how the lesson went. Tap End to review your lesson, see the times of each section, and self-assess. Pick and mix from our fun, quick challenges and learn more about how you can use PresentPal to learn presentation skills and deliver presentations with confidence.